Today we're taking a look at Reap, an AI tool that transforms long videos into clips perfectly captioned and formatted for every major social media platform. Creating viral content takes time, but Reap does the hard work for you. Just upload a video and Reap instantly transforms it into multiple bite-sized clips complete with captions and ready to share. Stop scrubbing through hours of footage. Just upload your video and paste a link. Choose the language, orientation, and resolution. From there, Reap's AI will pinpoint the engaging parts and create short clips formatted perfectly for social media. Upgrade to Tier 3 and you can upload 600 minutes of video content every month for the next 3 years. Nowadays, the only way to keep people watching is by adding captions. Good thing Reap does all the heavy lifting for you. Simply decide on the fonts, colors, sizing, highlights, and emojis that reflect your brand, and boom, you've got captions that'll ramp up your views. You can even translate them in over 68 languages, or just dub everything in a few clicks. Tier 3 users also get 10 hours of dubbing and AI captioning a month.
Want to tweak your clips?
Reap's editor makes it easy to trim, adjust, and rearrange clips. You can edit your captions and remove gaps instantly and add bold subtitles and effects to make your videos pop. Now that you've got killer clips, it's time to share them. Reap's social calendar lets you schedule videos across YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more right from your dashboard. Now you'll be able to achieve consistent growth without adding more to your plate. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, Reap helps you grow faster with way less effort. Hit buy now to start using Reap today.